every meal, if we have a special guest, we offer molee. What we are going to present now is the eggplant molee. I would like to introduce you to the beautiful spices. So, we have pepper, then we have cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. So, if you notice, everything is in whole form, it is neither crushed nor powdered, because we want just a lacing of these flavors. We have the onions, the julienne, ginger, garlic and the green chilies, thick slices of tomato and thick slices of eggplant. And the eggplant has been just gently pan grilled. You can do it with any oil that you like. I wouldn't advise olive oil. Olive oil has got its own flavor, its own strong flavor. We want the flavor of the beautiful spices to be highlighted here. We will check the temperature of the oil by adding a sprig of maybe a ginger, garlic, anything. If it's good quality, as soon as it starts melting, a beautiful aroma comes up. Pepper, cinnamon, cardamom and the cloves. This has to be done at one stretch. We don't want to burn the spices. And then goes in onions, the ginger, the garlic and the green chili. A gentle stir, a very gentle stir, and then goes in onions. So, if you notice, the onions have been sliced into rings, because we want to bite into everything. We want to bite into the onions, we want to bite into the ginger, the green chili, everything. We don't want to overcook the onions here. Push your onions to the side. Then goes in the eggplant. So, when the eggplant goes in, we can slowly increase the temperature. Cover the eggplant with your onion mixture. A pinch of salt, reducing the temperature, tomato. I love cooking this dish because it's beautiful, and this is one dish every time I make it, my husband comes with a camera because it looks beautiful. A few curry leaves on top, cover, and you're steaming or poaching the eggplant in the natural juice of the tomato. It's slowly cooking. Now I slowly increase the temperature and cook it for maybe 5 minutes. So, the eggplant is getting steamed, it is cooked already. We are just steaming it or poaching it, and then just before serving you take the lid off, turn the heat off, wait for a minute for the sizzling sound to stop, and then you add your coconut cream. If you add the coconut cream with a high flame, the beautiful creamy texture of the coconut cream is lost. We want that beautiful creamy texture. So, you wait for a minute and then you add the coconut cream. You see, the eggplant will absorb the coconut cream, but that's okay. You can add a few drops here and there to bring it back to the creamy texture. You can always rectify it, it's not an issue. So, here we have our eggplant molee ready.